Here at Nobly, we've been looking at new products to help your business grow. Nobly Ordering is now available for free to all Nobly customers with our standard EPOS license. Now, there's two parts to Nobly Ordering. Firstly, we have a table ordering system, allowing your customers to order directly from the table using their phone. In line with the new government regulations, this is a fantastic way of managing orders on site. We've also added a click and collect service, allowing customers to order takeaways from the comfort of their own home. This can add a much needed new revenue stream so you can generate business even in a lockdown. Today, I'm going to give you a full in-depth run through of the Nobly ordering system, showing you how to set it up, what the customer experience looks like, and what features to take advantage of. Now, you can start by heading over to the product section here, select the item you want to include in Nobly ordering, and when you scroll to the bottom, you'll have a button that says include with Nobly ordering, or enable Nobly ordering. This will then allow you to include a product image and along with a description of the item for your customers. If I head over to the settings section on Nobly ordering, this is where you can change your logo. It's also where you'll get your QR code. Now, this is incredibly important. This needs to be as visible and accessible for all your customers as possible, whether that's on your website or downloaded and printed on your menu or stuck on the window of your shop. This is what your customers will scan to access your menu and place orders themselves. Scrolling down the bottom, we can select the prep time. We can choose whether to automatically accept orders, whether to accept pay later or simply paying through the app. You can also include sections and add the tables so it's nice and easy. If I head over to menus, you'll be able to add different menus. Now, whether that's a seasonal change or even if you have a different menu every day, you can automatically set it up so that it will swap between the two. We've also got the theme section, so you can change the color coding, which links with the actual Nobly ordering system. Choose each individual color for all the sections. Now, I'm going to run through a test transaction and show you how it all works. So, if I take over, on the left, we've got the iPad, and on the right, we have the iPhone. This can be used on Android as well. So, I'm going to start by getting the camera app up, and I'm going to scan this QR code here. You'll see immediately we've now got the Open Nobly POS in Safari up the top. So, tap on that, and that will load up the menu. Now, the first thing you need to do is choose whether you're ordering directly from the table or it's going to be a collection order. So we'll start by running through a table order. Here you can see your menu with descriptions. You can select the items that you want to include. Certain items may have variations or toppings, which you can select yourself. And then when you're ready to place the order, you just tap Go to Cart. Here you can select a section, whether that's inside or outside. This is not necessary. You can also include the specific table number and then input your details. Proceed to checkout. In this section, you'll have the option to pay through card, whether that's Google Pay, Apple Pay, or simply entering in your card details. You also have the option of pay later, which is what I'll be using, and that allows you to pay directly using the reader on site. So we'll place an order here. You'll see that the notification icon has now popped up at the top left-hand side. So we can see this order, we can see what table number it's for, and we can accept that and begin the process of making it. I'm now going to run you through the click and collect service. Again, we'll go back to that code, which would be on your website, on your menu. We're going to scan that with the camera, and we're going to pop up again. We're going to do a collection order this time, so tap collection order. Again, select the items that you want to include, and tap cart. Now, here's when you'd select whether you want to collect the item as soon as possible or during a certain period. You can include your first name and last name and contact details. It's important to put an email address. This is what the system will use to send updates. So when you pick your order, when you collect your order, this is what you will be going through. Tap proceed to checkout or add any notes if you want less chili or any particular variations or changes to the actual dish. Now I'm going to place order again just like we did before. and you'll see that will immediately pop up on the web order screen. Again, I can accept and park this. You'll also have an order number sent to your email address, so you'll be able to reconcile this when the person arrives. So it's a really simple system. It's very easy to set up, and it's a good way of drumming up new business with your customers. The loyal ones that know about you can use this regularly. It completely integrates the POS system. There's no setup or software fees, and our team are ready and waiting to help get you set up, trained, and we can also run demos to show you how the product works before you try. So what are you waiting for? No setup fees, no software costs. You might as well start now and get Nobly ordering for your business and see if it works for you. If you want to contact us or find out more, call us on 0203 514 9116 or email us at support@noblypos.com. There'll be details in the description. We look forward to having you on board.